In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Microsoft Excel on PC. If you want to start using Excel for spreadsheets, budgets, reports, or everyday data organization, one simple way to get it on your computer is through the Microsoft Store. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through that process clearly so you know what to look for and what choices you may need to make along the way. To begin, open the Microsoft Store on your PC. This is one of the easiest places to install Microsoft apps because it gives you direct access to official versions of the software. Once the store is open, give it a moment to fully load so all the search and app options appear properly. Next, go to the search bar inside the store and type in Excel. Make sure you're searching within the Microsoft Store and not in your browser or Windows taskbar search, since you want to find the app listing directly from the store. After you search, you'll see results related to Microsoft Excel and possibly other Microsoft 365 apps as well. From there, select the Excel app that best matches what you need. Take a quick look at the app name and publisher to make sure you're choosing the official Microsoft version. This is important because search results can sometimes show similar tools or related apps. So it's always a good idea to confirm you've opened the correct listing before continuing. Once you're on the Excel app page, you'll usually be given a few options. You may see different plans, such as a Microsoft 365 subscription, which includes Excel along with other Office apps. In some cases, you may also have the option to install a free version, depending on what is currently available for your device and account. Choose the option you prefer based on how you plan to use Excel. If you only need basic access, the free version may be enough. If you want the full set of features, a paid plan may be the better choice. After making your selection, follow the prompts shown on screen to begin the installation. The exact buttons may vary slightly depending on your region, your Microsoft account, or whether Excel is already included in an existing subscription. So just continue with the option that matches your setup. And that's it. That's how to install Microsoft Excel on a PC using the Microsoft Store. Thank you for watching.